Hey everybody, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com, and I just want to wish everybody a happy Easter weekend and a happy Easter day today. I hope everybody's doing fine out there. Today is April 12th, and I've got a stock opportunity for this upcoming week, so this is something you can look into for tomorrow, which is Monday, April 13th. All right, let's go over it and take a look at it. And if we see first here, a couple things on our screen here. First thing I want you to notice is this is how we find our stock opportunities using the TradersCoach.com scanner. Now this is a great scanning tool. It encompasses the Trade Confirmer, the Elliott Wave scanner, and the Turbo scanner that I developed. And what it does is it scans the market, does all the heavy lifting for us, and looks at the thousands and thousands of stock opportunities and really hones in on the best ones that we like to look for. So let me just take a look here. If we look at this, notice here we have BBBY, and that's Bed Bath & Beyond. And it found a bullish overall trade confirmer signal based off the momentum in the owl, a bullish PTF, and a bullish trend line. So if we go down to the chart here, we can see these indicators at the bottom of the chart. Here's the owl down here, and that is of course bullish. We have the PTF, which is also bullish, and the trend line master showing us a bullish trend line at this time. So we have all three of those in coordination with the scanner. Next thing we look for in this is an Elliott wave count. And what we have here, we believe, is a 3. So we're in technically now an Elliott wave 4, and the target range is right here. And it's going to be between $8.35 all the way up to $11.43. This particular market, BBBY, closed on Friday at $5.58. So as you can see, it's got a good risk to reward because we want you to put your stop at $4.56. $4.56. So that gives us a risk to reward of 2.71 in your favor, which is really excellent. So very good risk to reward setup on this. So we like this one a lot, and this is one you can take tomorrow. You want to get in as close as you can to the target price of $5.58, which is where it closed on Friday. Give or take a few cents. If it gaps, then I hold back for a while. All right, so that's this week's stock opportunity. Hey, listen, I wish you all the very best week coming up this week. I know we're all dealing with the coronavirus, and it's tough going, but we just got to hang in there and stick it out, okay? At least as traders, we can actually trade from home and get this kind of opportunity each and every day in the markets. So that puts us in pretty good stead overall. All right, so listen, have a good week. Use risk control. Now also too, before you actually take this trade with real money, I really suggest checking with your financial advisor, accountant, or attorney just to be sure a trade like this is suitable for you. All right, we'll see you back here next week. Thanks for tuning in.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.